everyone, today I'm going to unbox a package that I have been holding back for almost 2-3 months now. I got it during SEPHORA 20% discount sale, and it's been almost at least a month, I think. Yeah, it was delivered on 10th of June and it's already July. I haven't opened it yet. I was thinking I can do an unboxing with everyone since Chanel prices increase and I have no new Chanel bags to unpack and unbox with you guys. So let's get started. It's been a month, so I almost forgotten what I have bought. So this will be a surprise for me. Okay, the first one is Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum. You can see here is the 30 ml size. I'm trying out a new vitamin C serum because previously I was using Ren skincare, but I kind of got tired of it. So this will be a nice one to try out. Let's unpack this to see how it is like. This is actually my first time on it as well. Ooh, the packaging is very luxurious, but I guess that's expected given the price point. So you have a instruction sheet. Let me just zoom out. And this is the vitamin C serum. Let me give it a try and then I'll let you guys know what I feel about this. But if you want reviews, just leave a comment down below. The packaging is really lovely and the color of the bottle. Can you see the gradation? Okay, the next item is this. Heard so much things about Glow recipe, and I just finished my niacinamide cream as well. This is called a highlight serum, so I'm quite curious how it's going to work out, given that niacinamide is typically a skincare, and this apparently can function as a skincare plus makeup, highlighter makeup. Let me try and unbox this so that we can see the packaging. So cute. Your new favorite skincare highlighter. The whole box is watermelon, and you look at another very gorgeous packaging again. So if you look at Glow recipe, this is like the iridescent pink of the Chanel bags. So far, so good. There's only 2 more items left, and one is It Cosmetics CC cream. I really love this. I got this from a packaging previously for one of the free samples, and now I got this in the color light. It's almost, yeah, I heard a lot of good reviews about it, and I think it's true that this is a very easy to use and good to go product. And this is so tiny, so it can definitely fit into the bag. So this, comparing it to the Chanel Classic Flap, is about half the size, so this can definitely fit in. Packaging is super cute as well. So we have 2 skincare and 1 makeup, and the last item here is Charlotte Tilbury Lip Chit Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in the color Pillow Talk. So if you look at here, camera needs to zoom though. Yep, there's a very nice lip color. Okay, I have makeup here. I have the niacinamide here, so I shouldn't apply it here. If I look at the inner part of my wrist, it's a very natural looking lip color. If you draw a lip, you can almost imagine the lip being this rosy, healthy pink shade. Let me try it out. I'm quite excited to use this as well. Yep, that's about it for my Sephora haul. 1 lip liner, 1 CC cream from It Cosmetics, which I have actually tried before, and 2 skincare products. The nice signer, it's like the vitamin C and the niacinamide dewdrops, watermelon dewdrops. So there's like more skincare, hybrid, and skincare. Yeah, that's about the Sephora haul that I finally managed to unpack after using it, after having it in a box for at least a month now. Other than that, haven't been shopping much these days ever since the price increase, but I've really been enjoying the classic flap which I have brought up for use for some time. I'm not quite sure about what you guys think about the price increase and whether you will still continue shopping Chanel. About this topic, I've actually typed out my thoughts in a separate notebook before, but let me just get it out so I will have less verbal garbage to everyone. So there's been about a 50% cut to my Chanel bag collection. Currently, as of June 2021, I've cut them down by half. I used to have 4 Chanel bags, but over the last few months, I have sold 2. I sold a black reissue and my first ever Chanel 19 bag, which was the light beige from 21S. And I can drop links in the description box for the unboxing of the Chanel 1921S beige. And then since then, I have bought this classic flap in lambskin, black lambskin. This is like the perfect evening bags if you just want to dress up for a special occasion. And I also got a coco handle in the dark beige. That's my second bag, and the light the creamy yellow bag that I got from the 21C collection. So currently I have 3 bags now. Did I lose money, break even, or profit from the sale of those bags? For both bags that I sold, I actually sold at break even. Hence, it was almost free usage if you think about it, for about 2 years for the reissue and 6 months for the Chanel 19. However, the retail price has been increasing for these 2 products. My reissue break-even price was a $2,000 discount to retail, and the Chanel 19 was sold 4% cheaper than the current retail price. Now, after the price increase, it was sold at about 12 to 15% cheaper. So I think Chanel is a brand that really holds its value if we make the right choices, but I can't bear myself to increase the selling price to be higher than retail, which is what some resellers do. Ultimately, they're running a business, but I am not. So do I regret selling my bag? I don't really regret selling away my reissue because the money was actually used to fund the classic Chanel black flap that you see here, which is more suitable for my lifestyle. But I do regret slightly selling away my Chanel 19 beige, especially now that the price has increased by another 2 times since I bought it. I do not think about my reissue at all, but sometimes I do miss my beige Chanel 19. So how I comfort myself is that beige is just beige. There are only so many ways Chanel can recycle colors across the season, and at the end of the day, it's just a bag. Maybe I do wish that I can keep it for another 1 to 2 more years. I'll still probably make purchases on Chanel 19 in future season if there's a fantastic light beige or neutral launch, but I know that it will be at a much higher price tag. So currently I have 3 Chanel bags and 4 Chanel SLGs. Going forward, it will have to be very selective and intentional purchases, or I'll spread it out across 3 to 4 months before shopping at Chanel, rather than going down almost every month, or at the worst, there was this period of time going down almost every week. So let's just take this Chanel classic black flap in lambskin and go hardware. For example, I bought this in late May or June, and now the price has increased by about $1,000. So it was previously $9,340 in Singapore, and it's currently retailing for I think 10,260. I'm not very sure. I'll put it in the description below. So that is almost like $1,000 for without any price differences. It's still in very good condition. I've used it a couple of times for mainly for the evening. It can't fit much, just like a wallet, a phone, and maybe some of your, let's say, your lipstick, or that can definitely fit. And in terms of wear and tear, I don't see any wear and tear, or do you see any? Well, this is being used. Still in very perfect condition. Yeah, so let's see. I do have other unboxing ideas, and as well as what fits. I can film. I think in the next video I'll make what fits into this bag, so that you everyone who watches the video can be more better informed. And between a small and a medium classic flap. That's about it for the video today. Hope everyone have a good weekend. Bye bye.